While setting the apparatus, I'll tell you in the next video, next session, how to set the apparatus. So you have to keep the apparatus at the atmosphere. There is a lever which you have to set at the atmosphere while setting the apparatus. The subject should have fasted for at least 2 hours, and you should avoid the fire near the apparatus because it contains the oxygen, which is quite flammable. Is the scale. To obtain the scale, you have to move this lever to the spirometer, and keeping this pen at the graph paper, you have to push this float for 1 liter. After you push this float 1 liter down, you will see there is a line on this graph paper. You have to calculate the squares, how much squares the pointer has moved, and this will be your scale. Most of the times this 1 liter moves 5 small squares, and that is equal to 1 liter. Assalamu alaikum students. The practical that we are going to perform today is spirometry. So if you see here, there are different terms that are normally used in this practical. Spirometer is the term used for the apparatus. The graph which we obtain by using the apparatus is called spirogram, and the procedure by which we obtain this graph is called spirometry. There is a machine on which the paper is attached for the graph. It is called kymograph. This graph word is confusing. This kymograph is a machine, not the graph obtained by the procedure. So you have to remember the difference between the spirogram and kymograph. Kymograph is a machine and spirogram is a graph which is obtained by the procedure. Principle of this practical is that the lung function estimation by forcefully breathing in the apparatus. Subject inhales and exhales in the apparatus, which lets us know about the different parameters of the lung volumes, and then we can estimate the lung function by those volumes. Vital capacity is the sum of different volumes: inspiratory reserve volume, tidal volume, and expiratory reserve volume. Tidal volume is the volume which is the volume which we inhale and exhale in normal breathing. Inspiratory reserve volume is that extra volume that we can inhale if we forcefully inhale the air, and expiratory reserve volume is the volume which we can exhale if we forcefully exhale out of the lungs. Lung volumes and lung capacities. The difference between two is that lung volume is a single parameter, like I told you, the tidal volume and inspiratory reserve volume and expiratory, these are the volumes, different parameters. If we add 2 of them or 3 of them, then we get the lung capacities. There are various precautions that you have to take while doing the practical, that the different parts of the apparatus should be connected properly. There should be no leakage in the pipes or the apparatus. While setting the apparatus, I'll tell you in the next video, next session, how to set the apparatus. So you have to keep the apparatus at the atmosphere. There is a lever which you have to set at the atmosphere while setting the apparatus. The subject should have fasted for at least 2 hours, and you should avoid the fire near the apparatus because it contains the oxygen, which is quite flammable. Now we will see the apparatus. This is the whole apparatus which is used for the spirometry. This is the spirometer and this is kymograph. As I told you earlier, there is a machine on which the paper is attached, on which the graph is taken. So this is the kymograph. This is the page attached for the graph, and we change the speed of the kymograph from here, from this lever. Now we'll see the spirometer. There is this main tank and this is the open float. There is a thermometer attached at the top of the open float. There is a pointer at the end of which there is a pen in which we fill the ink for recording the graph. There are different other parts. This is the counterweight which we use to balance this float after filling the gas inside this apparatus. There is total of 9 liters space in this apparatus. We fill 5 liters of air and 2 liters of oxygen in this, which we will discuss later. Okay, there is a soda lime container which absorbs the moisture and carbon dioxide inhaled in the breathing process. There are different pipes. This is the T-tube, at the end of which there is a mouthpiece attached, which subject will keep in the mouth for breathing. This is the lever which I was talking about. There are two options on it. There is a spirometer and atmosphere. While we are setting the apparatus, we will keep the lever at atmosphere, and while the subject is breathing, we will keep the lever at spirometer. There are two drains. There is a water drain for which is used for draining the water which is filled inside this water tank, and there is oxygen drain, oxygen pipe which is used to fill the oxygen while before we start the practical. For setting this apparatus, first of all you will fill this water tank till this water level. After that you have to fill 5 liters of air and 2 liters of oxygen, total of 7 liters in this float. This is the water level. You have to set the pointer to 0. You have to move it up and set it to 0 as the float is completely in the lowest position. After that you will fill the air in the spirometer by moving the lever from atmosphere to spirometer and pulling the float upwards. After you have filled 5 liters of air, you will then move the knob back to the atmosphere. Now you have to fill 2 liters of oxygen. You will use this oxygen pipe and fill the oxygen from the oxygen cylinder by attaching this pipe to the pipe of this apparatus. Now I have filled the oxygen, and you can see the float is at 7 liters now. After that you have to move this lever to the spirometer and move this counterweight upwards or downwards by opening this screw to balance this float at 7 liters. Before balancing, if you move this knob to spirometer, the float can move either upwards or downwards if it is not balanced by this counterweight. So when you maintain the level at which it doesn't move upward or downward while at spirometer, this will be the point where you have to let the apparatus set. After that you have to fill this pen at the end of this pointer. You have to fill this pen with the ink. You have to put a page on this kymograph and set this kymograph at number 3. At number 3 you will get the speed 1 millimeters per second. The kymograph drum will rotate at the speed of 1 millimeter per second at the setting of 3. One last thing that you have to see is the scale. To obtain the scale, you have to move this lever to the spirometer, and keeping this pen at the graph paper, you have to push this float for 1 liter. After you push this float 1 liter down, you will see there is a line on this graph paper. You have to calculate the squares, how much squares the pointer has moved, and this will be your scale. Most of the times this 1 liter moves 5 small squares, and that is equal to 1 liter. So before starting the procedure, you have to let the subject sit comfortably in front of the apprentice. You will now instruct the subject how he will perform the procedure. अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आपको जब मैं कहूँगा आपने ये वाला माउथ पीस अपने मुंह में रखना है, और ये नोज़ क्लिप है ये अपनी नाक पे लगा लेनी है। इसके बाद आपने नॉर्मल सांस लेते रहना है, और थोड़ी देर के बाद तकरीबन 3-4 बार सांस नॉर्मल लेने के बाद आपने ज़ोर से सांस अंदर की तरफ खींचना है, और फिर नॉर्मल सांस लेना शुरू कर देना है। फिर 3-4 दफ़ा नॉर्मल सांस लेने के बाद ज़ोर से सांस आपने बाहर की तरफ निकालना है, और फिर 3-4 दफ़ा नॉर्मल सांस लेना है। फिर एक ही दफ़ा ज़ोर से सांस अंदर खींच के और पूरा सांस जितना आप सांस बाहर निकाल सकते हैं वो निकालना है, ताकि हम आपके फेफड़ों का जो काम करने का फंक्शन वगैरह सारा कुछ चेक कर सकें। नाउ व्हेन द सब्जेक्ट विल कीप दिस माउथ पीस इन हिज माउथ, you will move this lever from atmosphere to spirometer to let him breathe, and you will then turn on this machine kymograph for letting the paper rotate and obtaining the graph. आप ये माउथ पीस अपने मुंह में रखें, नोज़ क्लिप लगा लें, और जिस तरह से मैंने आपको बताया कि सांस लेना है उस तरह लेना है जब मैं आपको कहूँगा। Now you will move the apparatus to spirometer and turn on the machine. अब आप सांस लेना शुरू करें। नॉर्मल सांस लें पहले, ज़ोर से सांस अंदर की तरफ लें। अब नॉर्मल सांस लें, ज़ोर से सांस बाहर की तरफ निकालें। ठीक है। अब ज़ोर से सांस अंदर की तरफ खींच के और फिर बाहर की तरफ निकालें। ठीक है। अब नॉर्मल सांस लें। ओके, ठीक है, बस आप रोक दें। नाउ दिस इज़ द स्पायरोग्राम which is obtained after the performance of procedure. Here you can see there is a little missing of the line here and here, but you can see there are little dots. Sometimes the ink stops pen stops working, and this type of graph is obtained. So you can complete this by your